almighty smallest action camera in the world, Insta360 GO2. Yeah, paperwork, warranty guidelines, and Insta360 sticker. USB-C to USB-A charging cable. This is for your hat or clip. This is your charge case. And this is another mount. This is a very interesting mount. It's actually a sticky mount. You can use it on any surface, put some water on it, and then it's good to go again. And it's a magnetic pendant where you can wear under your t-shirt or shirt and then stick the camera onto it. Before I begin telling you about the camera, this cable is very, very important. Do not lose this cable, because you cannot use any third-party USB-A to USB-C cables with the Insta360 camera. This cable is very, very important. Though it looks like a normal USB type A to type C, but you have to use this proprietary cable itself. Other third-party cables will not be of any use to charge or to connect this camera to your computer or to your iPad. So remember not to lose this cable. So what I'll do right now is I'll put one of the Insta360 stickers here so that I will never lose it. Or I will remember that I have to use this cable exclusively with the Insta360 camera. So let's quickly set it up in some time. I have connected my camera to a charger since there was no charge in the camera, so let's connect it now. Now we have connected the camera, and as you can see right here, the usable amount is only about 28.5 GB. This is a 32 GB camera and usable is only about 28.5 GB at the moment. So let's do some settings. I usually recommend Pro Video. People say the Pro Video is actually nice. So let me see and do some settings here. Inside the app there are a lot of settings, which is like star lapse to take a night shot of the sky, interval shooting, night shot, photo, video, Pro Video mode, time lapse mode, time shift mode, and HDR video. But most of them recommend you have to use a Pro Video mode because you get a lot of editing options during your post. I have turned off shot on Insta watermark because Insta didn't sponsor this video. This is just a review test that I've been doing for this camera. Come baby, let's go. Come. You're sitting at the back, right? Come, baby. Yeah. I have mounted the Insta360 GO2 with the sticky mount inside my car on the windshield, and it's an in-car recording. Air conditioning is turned on. It has got the best stabilization and horizontal leveling, and that happens only in Pro Video mode. So you have to turn on the Pro Video mode. Currently it's recording on Pro Video mode, and you can hear my voice from the Insta360 GO2 app. AC is on full and I'm driving, and the horizontal leveling also is a feature which comes in Pro Video mode. I've kept it at 1440p at 30 frames per second with the linear view, not wide, because I don't like wide shots, and I'm speaking through the mic which is on top of the Insta360 GO2 camera. And by the way, This camera doesn't belong to me, it belongs to a friend of mine who was kind enough to lend it to me for unboxing and doing a test, and then I'll return it to him after I complete my test. But I'll be having this camera for a long time because I'll be doing a lot of tests. He was kind enough to lend it to me for a very long time. So I'll do a lot of tests on this camera, including the low light. And also I'll put a video on how to update the software or the firmware of this camera. And it's pretty much straightforward in the simple step on updating the firmware of this camera. The best feature in this camera is the app, which allows you to do the horizon leveling manually, or improve stabilization, change the view of the camera angle, just in case, because it records in a long circular shape, so it allows a lot of compatibility. And the bit rate is very high. H.264 compression is on, and the bit rate is very high. But one thing I've found is I have been doing a lot of accidental clicks and leading to a record of the video. So stay tuned on my channel. Please do subscribe if you like my content. I'll keep posting, and I'm doing this video after a very long time. So let me just be quiet for a bit to see what is the ambient sound it captures. Now I'm recording from the magnetic mount, which is under my shirt, again in car. The mic is right on top of the camera, so you can hear my voice better this time. Most of my viewers must have seen this road, which is there in most of the YouTube videos, because it is on the way to my office. Insta360 GO2 recommends keeping maximum record length of 15 minutes because 30 minutes is only for POV shots or some important shots. It may tend to heat up the camera a little bit because of its very small form factor. And I must say, this camera is a very, very tiny camera with a lot of features. And they've done a lot of improvement in their Insta360 app for your iPads, iPhones, and Android devices. I'm currently recording with the tripod mode of the Insta360 GO, and the sound that you can hear right now is coming from the mic on top of the Insta360 GO2 Max screen. And I'm looking at the preview on my iPad. The sound right now is coming exclusively from the Insta360 GO2 camera, from the mic located at the top here. Insta360 GO2 connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection to your smartphone. I have recorded all my videos on Pro Video 1440p H.264 and high bitrate, and currently the total video file size in camera is 7.3 GB, and it took about 11 minutes to download 7.3 GB files to Insta360 app, which I feel is quite good. On your Insta360 GO2, when filmed on Pro Video mode, the Insta360 app on your smartphone or tablet allows many editing options. You can initially change the camera angle from wide to action to linear and to narrow. Also, you can activate flow state stabilization and horizon lock, where whatever the camera angle may be, video will lock on to the horizontal horizon. If you tap and hold on the center of the video, you can change the angle of the shot. After you are satisfied with your edit, the app allows you to render in custom settings, where you can change resolution, frame rate, bit rate, also activate color plus mode, and also remove grain option for noisy low light videos. Rendering was also fast during my tests, and the rendered files went to my photo library. Hope you like my review. Thanks for watching. Till next time, stay editing.